Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of bowl with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. For that, first go to New Design. As we can see, we have to draw such kind of profile, create such kind of bowl, Fusion 360. So first we will draw a line. Go to Create a Sketch, select the plane, draw a reference line here. I draw here a reference line and escape it. Now the next is draw a line of 60 mm. Here I am drawing a line of 60 mm. After drawing a line of 60 mm, then draw another line at an angle of 60 degree. That's okay. Select the sketch dimension. This is, as you can see in the drawing, the distance between this point and this is 80. Wide here 80. After that, from here you can select this fillet command. Choose these two lines and provide a fillet of 35 mm. Here I am providing a fillet of 35 mm. Then next is we have to draw another lines. For that we use here an offset. We choose offset command. And select this line and provide an offset of 4 mm and okay. Then use this arc, select 3-point arc. Similarly close arc here. After creating this profile, press escape, finish the sketch, choose revolve command, provide the axis, press OK. As you can see, we have created such kind of ball. After creating this ball, we will provide an appearance to this particular object. As you can see, we have to provide a blue color, and as I provide blue color paint here, it created the same object as we have seen in this particular one. This is the way how to create such kind of wall in the Fusion 360 with the help of various commands. Thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.